All right, so here's chapter 6 test. Make sure you're using your note card and your calculator and showing your work. Pause when you need to, replay this when you need to, take your time. All right, let's begin. Numbers 1, 2, and 3. You're going to do a one-step equation and you're going to either add or subtract. So make sure you're looking and seeing, what do I do? Okay, do I add or subtract? Numbers 4 and 5. You're going to either multiply or divide. Make sure you're checking your answer. Same thing for this one up here, checking your answer. Check your answer here. Okay. Number 6. Jimmy wants to buy a game system that costs $500. Suppose he saves $20 each week. In how many weeks will he have enough money for the game system? Part A, circle the equation below that represents the situation. So you're going to circle which one of these represents what's being talked about up here. Part B, solve that equation to find the number of weeks Jimmy will need to save and show your work. So part B, after you picked out which one of these is what they're asking for in here, you're going to solve. Remember, it's a word problem, so you need to also say, what does your answer represent? What does it mean? All right. Number 7 and 8, you're solve the equation with rational coefficient. Check your solution and show your work. I'll tell you this, 7 and 8 is somewhat similar to 4 and 5. All right, 9, 10, and 11, she gave you part A and part B. Make sure you're doing both. This is to ensure that you get it right. Part A is solve the equation. Part B is check your solution. 2 points. Show your work. And last section, match the letter from the word bank to the definition. This is your word bank. You're going to put your letter to wherever it belongs here. So the first one is, which word means the numerator is greater than the denominator? That's for number 12. The numerator greater than the denominator. Number 13, a number that has a fixed value. It's just a plain old number. Number 14, the number next to the variable, also known as the copilot. Number 15, a fraction turned upside down. What is a fraction turned upside down? Number 16, opposites. What do you call the opposites? Number 17, a letter used for an unknown value. And your choices are A, coefficient, B, constant, C, inverse, D, reciprocal, E, variable, or F, improper fraction. An extra credit. Mike is a butcher. He is 5'10" tall, 10 inches tall. What does he weigh?